In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape one of the most popular real estate websites, Zillow.com. We'll be using ScrapeBadger's web scraping API. It's honestly one of the most capable tools out there right now, especially because it can handle pretty tough websites like Zillow without getting blocked. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. First thing you want to do is create an account. You can sign up with Google, GitHub, or just your email. Every new account comes with 1,000 free credits, which is more than enough to test things out and see if it works for your use case. Once you're in, go ahead and create an API key. Just head over to the API keys section and click Create. Give it a name. I'll just call mine Zillow Test and just press this button.
Okay, now that API key is ready, go to the Web Scraping API Playground. This is where you can test everything before actually integrating it into your own system. So I've got a Zillow URL ready here. It's just a listings page for Des Moines, Iowa. You can use any city or area you want. This is just an example. Paste the URL into the playground. Now for the settings, this part is really important. Turn on JavaScript rendering. Zillow relies heavily on it. Also enable the anti-bot bypass because it has pretty strong protection, so you'll need that. You can also enable escalation. The nice thing is, if the system doesn't end up needing those options, you won't be charged the extra credits. So it's always better to turn them on just in case. You only pay if they're actually used. Then add a small wait time, like 8 seconds. Set the proxy country to the United States, since Zillow is a US-based site that just increases your chances of a successful scrape. Select your API key. Zillow Test is already selected, so I'd just leave it here. You can also choose the data format. I'll just leave it as HTML. And here, you can see the estimated cost for this job. Like I said earlier, you might not end up using all those credits. We'll check that after. All right, looks like we are ready to launch. Hit Start Scraping and give it a few seconds. Welcome back. We have results already. As you can see, the scrape was successful. You can look at the preview. It looks a bit broken, but honestly, the raw HTML is what you're really after. You'll notice it might say the response is too large. That's normal. You can still copy the full response, and you can also see that the scraper successfully bypassed Zillow's protection, which is pretty impressive. Now, quick bonus, you can also use AI extraction to turn all this messy HTML into structured data. So let's run it again, but this time add a prompt like, parse available listing information with images in JSON format. Turn on AI extraction and run it again. We got the data again, and now look. We have a separate window with data in JSON format. That looks awesome. Finally, if you actually want to use this in your own project, the ScrapeBadger SDKs are going to be really useful. You can find them on the website. Just go back to the home page, hover over Developers, and open the SDKs page. From there, you can easily integrate ScrapeBadger into your Python or JavaScript workflows. And if you need more information, you can always check out the documentation. Most of your questions will be answered there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can use this not just for Zillow, but for basically any website, listings, jobs, articles, whatever you need. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or join our Discord. Support is pretty quick there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.